The Rolls-Royce Cullinan is a symbol of wealth, sophistication, and luxury. Its sleek and elegant design exudes a sense of exclusivity, making it the ultimate choice for those who demand the best in life. As you waft through the streets in this majestic vehicle, you'll turn heads and draw admiring glances wherever you go. At the heart of the Cullinan is a powerful V12 engine, which delivers a smooth and effortless driving experience. The interior is adorned with the finest materials, including soft leather seats and handcrafted wood accents. Every detail has been carefully considered, from the ambience lighting to the state-of-the-art entertainment system. But it's not just the technical capabilities and opulent interior that make the Cullinan stand out. It's also the way it makes you feel when you're behind the wheel. There's a sense of confidence and control that comes with driving a Rolls-Royce, and the Cullinan takes this to new heights. As you waft through the streets, you'll feel like royalty, with the world at your feet.